Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making for you some turmeric quinoa. For this quinoa, you're going to need some coconut milk, cumin, turmeric, salt, and of course garlic and your quinoa. Now we're going to wash the quinoa first. This is just to get rid of the any dirt debris from it or that bitter taste that you often get from eating quinoa. Okay, so while the quinoa is draining, we're going to saute the garlic and burn some turmeric as well as preparing the cumin, right? To get started, we're going to need like half teaspoon of olive oil. We're burning our turmeric now, right? And we're going to add our garlic. You want your garlic to look something like that. So we're going to add our cumin. Add in our coconut milk. And some water. We're also adding some salt. You can cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Now that our coconut milk is fully boiled, we're going to add our quinoa. Okay, so you're just going to cover this and cook this on a medium to low heat, like maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. While we're waiting for the quinoa to finish cooking, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for watching this video. Also remember, you can leave a comment and tell me what recipe you'd like me to create for you. Alright, so let's look at our quinoa and see what's going on in this pot. You can see the water has not dried out as yet, so we're going to leave this for additional maybe 5 minutes. Right, so you want to fluff your quinoa on top to ensure that everything is the heat is passing through. Okay, you can just cover it again and just leave it. Okay guys, you can see our quinoa is finished cooking now. Usually I recommend that you remove the quinoa from the pot. This is to prevent the heat from the pot to continue to cook the quinoa, right? So we're going to remove it and put it in a plate and show you how beautiful it looks. Remember, this quinoa can be served alongside all of your favorite dishes, and you can even turn this into a salad. But we're not doing that today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Until next time, bye.